With great power comes great responsibility. Spider-Man Brand New Day just broke records, hitting $2 billion worldwide, and I'm going to show you how to capitalize on it. I love trending stories like this. Spider-Man Brand New Day, it hits $2 billion. It's one of the top trending things. Kids love it, and it's something that you can paint. You want to go for the things that are trending. You want to go for the things that are seasonal. You want to go for the things that are pop art. You want to go for the things that are top trending in the world and things that are going on, because that's how you're going to be able to capitalize. It's kind of like stock markets, right? You want to buy when things are low, or you want to buy when things are low, and then you want to sell when it's high. But it's very similar to that. It's just all about the timing, so that way you know how to capitalize on certain trends, certain topics, and how to make the most out of the different themes and how to make the money out of the different seasons. So I'm going to be showing this to you right here. Spider-Man Brand New Day, it hits $2 billion worldwide in just 3 weeks. Just 3 weeks. Spider-Man Brand New Day surpassed $2 billion in global ticket sales, eclipsing the rare benchmark after just 3 weekends of release. The comic book adventure starring Tom Holland as Marvel's neighborhood web-slinger has grossed $785 million in North America and $1.2 billion overseas. Spider-Man Brand New Day has been shattering expectations since landing in theaters at the end of July. The movie of Holland's fourth solo outing as Peter Parker captured a record-setting $360 million in North America and a staggering $932 million globally on its opening. Now, it says here that there's no question that Brand New Day will leave the big screen as one of the highest grossing movies of all time. In fact, it's already the 8th biggest worldwide release ever. But where will the tickets ultimately wind up? The stratospheric enthusiasm and encouraging staying power box office watchers are wondering whether Brand New Day could become the only movie to ever reach $1 billion domestically. Star Wars Force Awakens currently stands as the biggest North America release with its $936 million, and maybe possibly potentially even the first to hit $3 billion globally. So these are things that you want to capitalize right there. Don't let these moments go by. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you how you could jump on the trend, the things that I do in moments like this where I'm always kind of paying attention to trend things and pop art. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my winning library vault. My winning library vault are the top references that I've had, things that I've collected over the years, from references to all of my top selling paintings. And this is what you're going to get as well too. You could get this yourself as long as you are part of the Business Builder Mentorship group, where I build your account for you. I work on your sales, and you just got to focus on the painting part. You get this automatically so you can have different things and know what to paint. You don't have to recreate the wheel. So let's go into the vault right now, and let's see. This is the references side right here. Let's see what we can pop up with. Let's just I have this all categorized for you. So let's just go to pop culture and comics, and let's see if we can pull up some Spider-Man type of stuff, or some different themed Spider-Man things. And this is the cool thing when it comes to trends like this. It's not only Spider-Man, but it's things that's in the universe. It's in the things that's in the universe of Spider-Man that you could paint. And then people are going to want a series of it. That's how you really capitalize and make the most of it. And then you even get custom commissions off of it. So you can see, for example, this is how I did one of my Batmans, right? So that way nobody can ever say to me, oh, you stole that from the movie Batman. No, I didn't. This is abstract expressionism, my version of Batman. I just used AI to how to get there. The same version of like something like this, right? So you can always have fun with it, and you can make it into your own version. But let's make our own version right now and see what we see. Okay, here we got this Spider-Man right here. This is a Spider-Man. Cool. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna save it, and I'm gonna save it in one of my folders. Boom. So it's saved right there. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a reverse engineer on it. Reverse engineer is basically a tool that anything that you see out in the world, it could be a fire hydrant, it could be a glass of water, it could be a water bottle. It will make it into the form of how you like it. It will make it into the version of how you like to see the art. That way, AI is meeting you halfway with the references, and you don't have to try to recreate the wheel. You don't have to try to be fancy, and no one can say to you, oh, you stole that idea. Oh, it's copyright infringement. No, it's not. You're protected from making fan art, so you can feel comfortable that way. Look, I painted 18,000 paintings. I've sold so many things of art, especially fan art and pop culture, and there's never been any issues at all. Like, there's no issues, and you're protected from doing it. There's actually laws that protect you from doing it. Only thing you have to do is go to Comic-Con or go to a gallery, and you can see that there's plenty of artists who do it all the time, and they don't have a license agreement with the studios. So we're going to go here to AI tools. These are all the different tools that we have that's inside of the classroom, but this one is the tool right here for the reverse engineer reference. So we're going to click on this, and then it's going to bring us here for our master art translator. So now only thing we do, we just upload our reference photo, the one that we saved on the computer, and that's going to be this one, which is Spider-Man. And then we're going to go translate into the prompt for us. I wish I had this years ago, because this just makes everything so much easier. I don't have to try to figure out how the prompt is going to be spelled, or how the word placement and how to figure it out so that way it can look the way that I want it to look. It's going to be cool. It's going to look a different way, or an original way, but it's still going to grasp what I put in there. So now we just come to Grok and we come to Imagine. And then I'm going to paste in the prompt to see what it gives us. I don't know what the prompt says, but I just put it in there to see what it's going to pull out for us. So look how cool this is right here. So you could just see these different images and how they give us this image of Spider-Man, but in its own version. Now, this one would make it so cool right here, especially for Brand New Day, because if you watch the movie, Punisher is one of the characters that's on there. So I think it's cool right here that on the shoulders, he has skulls. So that's cool. Once you're here, only thing that we have to do is just save image as. We just download it. And look, we downloaded our image right there, and then we could just always move it over to the folder that we had, and then we're able to use it later on. We use it on, put it onto a projector, and then we're able to make our image. Let's go on to another one. Let's see what else that we have. Look how cool this is. We open this up. Now this is something really cool because I'm able to take like either a Charcoal or a pen or something really quick, and I could cross hatch this. It doesn't take me time. It doesn't take me any time at all. But then yet we're able to pump out so many different of these Spider-Mans because it is a top trending theme of the world right now, right? In pop culture, where we're able to do this, knock this out. Look, it's got a skull down there as well for like Punisher. And then here, let me download this one as well. Boom, on to the next one. Let's see some other cool ones. I mean, all of these look so cool to me because I'm able to make this into my own version. So look how cool that is, like how I could make that into my own version of Spider-Man, where it's my own neo-expressionism abstract. Nobody could ever come back and say to you, oh, you stole the copyrights. Oh, that's a copy. This isn't a copy because this is your own version of Spider-Man. All right, let's do another one from scratch. Let's go back here and let's go to my reference vault. So let's see if I have another Spider-Man saved in here. And I mean, I have so many different ones, but let's just say, even for example, if I didn't have one on here, then I could just easily go to Pinterest, what I used to do in the past. And then I would just look up an image like that off of different images of Spider-Man, and then just happen to take it from there. I have so many different images of pop culture and different references here. It just keeps going and going, but that's the fun part. And like I said, you get this tool too. Let's use this funky version of Spider-Man right here. I think it's something different, and then you can have fun with it. Let's save it. And then it goes into our folder. Now let's go back to our reverse engineer tool. And then it's already open for us here. So anything we have to do is just click on this folder to change the image. And then here's the image that we just saved. Now let's go to translate. And we can see what kind of prompt that is going to give us. I don't know what the prompt is, but whatever it's going to give us, I'm just going to copy it. And then I'm going to put it back into Grok because I think they have the best image creator when it comes to art, and I've used all of them. And boom, look how cool that looks. It's like a different version. I know that one looks a little bit crazy, maybe not too much like Spider, but let's say, and then this is the thing, we can always change it up. So we can go, instead we can say superhero. Let's see what it gives us if we put superhero spider. Like, there's just so many different variations how you could change this. So you could just see like that. It's kind of like a Libre, like a Nacho Libre, like it's him being a wrestler. And that's very similar to the first Spider-Man. So I think that's cool as well. But I just wanted to show that to you. There's so many different things of how you could do that. Let's go back to another one. Let me do one more for you guys. Like I said, the universe is connected when it comes to these superheroes. So it doesn't even have to be where it's Spider-Man. Spider-Man was also connected to Iron Man. So I think I did see an Iron Man reference. That's all the way up here. Let's use an Iron Man reference. All right, here's our Iron Man reference right here. Let's copy it. Let's put it in our reverse engineer tool. Or let's save it. And then let's put it into our reverse engineer tool. Where's that? Right here. Iron Man. Translate it. And let's see what it gives us. All right. Copy. Let's paste it in here. That's totally different. It's totally cool. I mean, even though it's not related to the Iron Man, it looks really good, right? Like you can just see how cool this looks. Like it's easy to paint this out. That's easy. We just copy that and then we'll paste it. I'm going to save this one for myself. Save image as. And then I could use that later. There's so many different versions of these that I can use for later inspiration. Look how cool this looks. And I mean, you know what's even cool? Hey, what's another popular movie that's out right now? Odyssey. So this is probably something that I would use for Odyssey. Like you can make even an Odyssey painting based off of an abstract expressionism, Roman soldier, right? Or is it Greek soldier? One of those two. It's a soldier, right? Like a Spartan thing. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I wanted to show that to you right there. Show you all the different capabilities and possibilities that you can do by just following the different trends. That's how you're able to make the money as well too, is following the things of the culture, because these are the things that people are going to be typing the most inside of eBay. Also inside of the AI platform that I have, where you could just make your own different titles or different references. It's also going to be reading off of what is trending in the world right now. So you're never second guessing. It's always going to tell you what seasons are coming up. Father's Day's coming up or Labor Day's coming up. So it's going to give you suggestions of things, what to paint as well. But this is just a little quick gem right here of how to use your mind about how to go about it. If you want to learn more about how you can do this for yourself, I currently have a 7-day free trial inside the elite community. So you can see how to do this. You don't have to be tech savvy. Anybody can do this. I have everything mapped out for you. But if you don't want to build your art store yourself, and if you don't want to go through all of that, I understand. I will do it for you. I will run your business operations like it's my business, and I will work with you inside the Business Builder mentorship program. That's a one-on-one, so we could do that. And I look forward to working with you. I'll see you on the next video.